Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my class. In today's class, I am giving you class 8, Book of New Logman Vistas, Geography, Chapter 9, that is Industries, Comparative Studies, Exercise Solutions. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start today's video with solution of this chapter. So first exercise of this chapter is A. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. So first question is, the finished products of Jamshedpur are exported through the port of dash. So correct option is C. Kolkata. Okay. Second question. Detroit is located in the state of dash. So answer is option A. Michigan. Third question. Ahmedabad is located on the banks of the river. Answer is option B. Sabarmati. Fourth question. From which of the following countries does Osaka import raw cotton? So correct option is D. So answer is India. Question 5. Which of the following institutions is not located at Bengaluru? So correct option is option D. So answer is IIS. Okay. So here your section A, all question answer objective question is completed. Next we will proceed. Next section B. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. Okay. So first statement is Jamshedpur is located in the state of Chhattisgarh. So this statement is false. Okay. Jamshedpur is not located in the state of Jamshedpur. So second, Detroit is also known as Motor City. This statement is true. Third, Osaka used thermal power to run its textile factories. So this statement is false because Osaka not used thermal power. Osaka used hydel power to run its textile factories. Okay. So next question 4. Silicon Valley is synonymous with the IT industry. This statement is true. Next question statement 5. The IT industry of Bengaluru faces competition from Pune and Gurugram. So this statement is true. Okay. Here section B, all true false statement is completed. Answer is completed. Next we will proceed. Section C, match the columns. So first in column A, Subarn Rekha, correct match. In column B, C, Tisco. Second, General Motors, correct match. In column B, option D. Here Bengaluru is incorrect word. Correct match word is USA. Okay, so everyone please correct this. Third, Gujarat, correct match. In column B, A, Ahmedabad. 4, San Francisco, correct match. In column B, Silicon Valley. Okay. Next, we will proceed. Next section of this chapter, exercise D, fill in the blanks. So first, the more dash a nation produce, the more developed it is. So answer is steel. Spelling is STEEL. I again repeat, spelling of steel is STEEL. Next, second, Jamshedpur was earlier a small village named. Answer is Sakchi. Spelling is SAKCHI. Sakchi. Third, the dash of Dhaka was a very fine fabric which was world famous. So answer is muslin. Spelling is MUSLIN. Muslin. 4. Osaka is situated in the southern part of the dash island. So answer is Honshu. Spelling is HONSHU. 5. The dash has changed the world of information technology. So answer is silicon. Spelling is SILICON. Silicon. Okay. So dear viewers, in this chapter all objective exercise questions is completed with answer. Next we will proceed section E. Answer the following questions in 10 to 20 words. So first question, when and by whom was Tisco set up at Jamshedpur? So answer is in 1907 Jamsetji Tata was Tisco set up at Jamshedpur. I again repeat answer. One is in 1907 Jamsetji Tata was Tisco set up at Jamshedpur. Okay. Next question 2. Name the 3 large automakers of the USA who have their headquarters in Detroit. Okay. So answer of this question is in your book, page number 201. Please mark answer from here. All E to answer, all 3 of the largest automakers of the USA dash Ford, General Motors, and Chrysler have their headquarters and major factories in and around Detroit. Okay, your answer of section E2 is completed. I again repeat answer E2. All 3 of the largest automakers of the USA dash Ford, General Motors and Chrysler have their headquarters and major factories in and around Detroit. Okay. Next, question 3 of section E is name some industries besides textiles that have developed in Osaka. So answer of this question is question section E3. Name some industries besides textiles that have developed in Osaka. In your book, page number 204. From here, mark it. Besides textiles, many other industries have also developed in and around Osaka in the last few decades. They include iron and steel, machinery, electronic goods, chemicals, automobiles, and shipbuilding. Osaka thus has developed into a great industrial center. Okay, your answer is completed. Next, question 4. What is the origin of the name Silicon Valley? So answer in your book, page number 204. Please mark from here. The term Silicon Valley referring to the semiconductor industry around Palo Alto, California. The area which is referred to as Silicon Valley is located in Northern California on the San Francisco Peninsula around the Stanford University. Okay. Next, question 5. When and where was the Software Technology Park of India set up? So answer of question 5 of section E is in your book, page number 205. Please mark from here. In 1991, the Software Technology Park of India was set up at Bengaluru. Okay, your answer is completed. So dear viewers, I hope all solution of this chapter is very helpful to make for your notes. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.